In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a voice sound angry in ElevenLabs Fast and Easy. If you've ever needed to inject a bit of emotion into a voiceover, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into how you can make a voice convey anger in just a few simple steps. First, you want to start by choosing a voice that supports emotion control. This is crucial because not all voices in the ElevenLabs tool are designed to handle emotional inflections. So spend a little time browsing through the available voice options. You'll want one that can clearly register emotional shifts such as anger. When you've found the right voice, select it to move on to the next step of the process. Now, to convey the emotion of anger in your voiceover, you'll use a simple but effective technique involving symbols. You'll place the desired emotion within angle brackets, like this. This tells the software to infuse the subsequent text with the emotional tone you've selected. This might feel a bit like coding at first, but it's a simple yet powerful way to guide the emotional delivery of the voice. Next, consider the content of your script. To effectively communicate an angry tone, use short, sharp phrases within your script. This is because anger tends to be expressed through curt, terse language rather than long, drawn-out sentences. Think about how people naturally speak when they're upset. Often, they're more pointed and less verbose. Incorporating these elements into your script will make the angry tone come across more authentically. Once you've crafted your script with these elements in mind, it's time to bring it to life. Simply click the Generate button. This magic button puts everything into action. The voice selection, the emotional markers, and your carefully crafted script will culminate in a final audio output that effectively channels the anger you intend to convey. After generating the audio, make sure to listen and evaluate it. Sometimes you might need a slight adjustment. Perhaps the phrases aren't quite sharp enough, or the emotion doesn't hit just right. Don't hesitate to go back and tweak your script or the placement of the tags to perfect the emotion you're aiming for. With these steps, you should be well equipped to make any voice sound convincingly angry using ElevenLabs. Remember, the key is selecting the right voice, accurately marking your script for emotion, and focusing on script content that naturally conveys the emotion you're looking for. Now you're all set to create compelling, emotion-filled audio for your project. Happy creating!